Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove email from iMessage and FaceTime in settings. If you are using an iPhone and you want to remove your email from your iMessages or FaceTime, so let's see how can you easily do that. First of all, you just have to open up your settings, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the apps section. Simply tap on it, and from here you have to select if you want to remove your email from your FaceTime or iMessages. As I'm going to select the FaceTime first, and here you have to select this. You can be reached by FaceTime ad, and here you will get your Gmail. You must have to tap on it, and from here, if you want to remove, so you have to simply tap on this sign out option. So in this way, you can easily remove your email or Gmail from your FaceTime. Now you have to select your messages, and you have to select the send and receive option. Tap on it, then tap on your email or Gmail, and from here you have to select the sign up option, and your email will be successfully removed from your iMessage. So in this way you can easily remove your email from your iMessages or FaceTime in settings in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.